okay now so small disturbance. So continuation of management as a profession. So here we are going to discuss with the restricted entry. So in case of restricted entry, once you see point over here ma'am, so here what happens means, if suppose a person want to become a doctor, so he should have a qualification from that field. Nothing but he should have a qualified for MBBS. He should pass the MBBS degree. If suppose a person he want to become a lawyer, compulsory he has to pass that law exam, then only he can become a lawyer. But in case of management, we don't have any specific qualifications to become a manager of the organization. Okay, we have even we have a education for that, but it particularly not necessary to become a manager. Okay, so here Sima, a person can become a manager irrespective of educational qualifications. The trend is now changing, and person with MBA qualification is preferred as managers. Okay, so here what happens means, in previous days particularly we don't have any qualifications for the manager. If suppose he is having a particular specific skills and is efficient for that, then automatically he used to become a manager. But now presently they are asking a MBA qualification for the management. Okay, so at present management does not qualify to be profession on account of this feature, but trend is surely changing. So what happens means, presently what they are saying means, qualification is not necessary, but in future compulsory a profession, nothing but they should have a education qualification. Okay, next coming to the existence of code of conduct. Various professional bodies prescribe a code of conduct which members are required to observe. A code of conduct provides rules and regulation norms of honesty, integrity and professional morality. So in management there is no code of conduct for managers. SEMA. In case of other professionals like doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, compulsory they have to become a members of that association. Okay, and they should follow the rules and regulations, and they should be a honesty, integrity. Those all things should be there in case of other professionals. But in case of management, you see over here, in management there is no code of conduct for managers. AIMA has designed a code of conduct for Indian managers, but it is not legally binding for the managers to get themselves registered with that association. So management cannot be called as a profession on the basis of these features, but things are proceeding in the direction when managers may follow a standard code of conduct. So here in case of managers, we does not have any legal restrictions to become a nothing but to become a manager. We don't have any rules and regulations. We don't have any association. Okay, we have association, but it's not necessary, okay, to get the registered in the associations. But present trend how it is compulsory. They are also making a code of conduct. Next, service motive. A profession involves the application of expert knowledge for the service of society. A doctor earns his living out of his medical profession, but service to society is uppermost in his mind. A manager aims to achieve the goals of the business. The main goal may be maximize profits. Okay, so here service motive means nothing but ma'am, if a doctor is there, doctor is nothing but, okay, he is earning money, but his main motive, what will be his main motive ma'am? Compulsory to service the society. Yes or no? He will take the money, but at most he has to service the society. But what the manager does he has to achieve the objective, and finally he has to achieve the goals of their business, and he has to make a profit for the organization. Okay, that is a point over here. So presently the feature of profession is not present in management. Even this feature is also not present in the management. Okay, next, finally, conclusion. The above discussion shows that management does not qualify to be called as a profession on most of the accounts. So by discussing those features, what we can say that management cannot be called as a profession. Okay, maximum it cannot be called as a profession. Okay, this is a point over here. So these are the management as a profession, in that total we have 5 features. Okay.